In the latest release of DecoNetwork, we've made various improvements to the website pages editor. Let's jump in and take a look at a few highlights. Once you're managing your site in the admin section, click into Edit Website Pages to load the page editor. One of the many new improvements is to our blank product listing widget. Let's go ahead and drop one here onto our home page. And from the Properties window, let's set categories to display as tabs. We can go ahead and add a new tab. Previously, you've been able to go ahead and select a category to display, but you were limited to show the tab name as the name of the category. Now you can go ahead and rename that tab to display something else. Let's go ahead and save and publish this change to take a look at one of the other improvements on this widget. Viewing this from the website, we can see our product listing showing our tabs just as we set them up. One of the other improvements to this listing widget is the ability to click on a color swatch and see that product in the selected color swatch. This is going to make it super quick and easy for your customer to see just the product that they're looking for. Let's jump back into the admin section and look at a couple other improvements. Back in the page editor, let's jump into the contact page and take a look at an improvement on the form widget. The form widget now allows you to set a post submit page, a page that you're going to redirect your users to after they submit the form. You can click into that drop-down and select a page from your existing navigation. In addition to this improvement to the generic form widget, special forms like the user login and sign up widget also have improvements to the style options that you can configure. If we take a look at the login form, for example, you'll find similar design options as you do on the generic form widget, allowing you to change the label color, the heading color, the input field style, and the button style. Lastly, let's jump into the style editor and take a look at a couple of small improvements we've made there. The generic font picker now has the option to set word spacing, in addition to the letter spacing we already offered. Overall, you'll find many improvements just like these throughout the page editor in this new release of DecoNetwork.